Oh my God.
It's so beautiful.
Oh.
It's so beautiful.
So what you need to know here is I'm headed to my brother's house right now to pick up his Honda Civic, but what he doesn't know, and what most of you are about to find out, is I am gonna take his car and we're gonna do a full K-swap on it and build him a pretty cool track car.
Hey, look over there. What? Hey.
I'd say that was mission accomplished. I don't think he knows or suspects anything, which is good. And I gotta say, right away, I can tell this car is in need of some TLC. It actually has 262,000 kilometers on it, so about 10,000 more than he thought. This is now kind of his car that is a second car that just sits around, so hence why I'm gonna go and do all this. Anyways, now it's time for us to get down to the actual nitty-gritty of this project and jump to the workshop.
We're here at K20 to get to work on Jeremy Jacobs' car. It's of course a Honda, because you know, cool people drive Hondas or Chryslers really. I think Chrysler's actually cooler than Hondas, but maybe I'm losing my mind here. Anyway, we're working on a Honda because Jonathan, man, he's such a good guy. He's Pete's brother. Nobody knows him better than Pete except me, because I've met him like at least twice now, and we had Subway once. That makes me the insider, the guy who knows the most about Jeremy's likes and needs on a build like this. And the reason we're doing this for him is because he's such a great guy. I mean, who else do you know that works with amputee cats and dogs? You know, finding people to walk these dogs because they got little tiny wheelchairs and little wheels, you know, instead of back legs. Walking that around, it's embarrassing. Like, who wants to be seen with that kind of pet? It's emasculating. I wouldn't do it, but Jeremy does it because he's got such a big heart. In their little wheelchairs, when they take a poop, sometimes they get poop on their wheels. Who's gonna clean up that poop? I'll tell you who. Jeremy, Jonathan picks that poop up every time. So we're gonna pick up his poop for him, his symbolic poop, by putting that VTEC V8 in that Chrysler Honda back there for him. So let's get to work.
So we're on day one with our car. We've got a lot of work to do. We've already pulled the motor. We're working on the exterior right now. You can see the red pinstriping we're doing. I'm not sure if that look's gonna stay, but anyway, a ton of stuff to do. The suspension is just a mess. Bolts are twisting off and everything because of all the rust underneath. We're gonna totally de-rust the bottom side of the car and repaint it. Ton of work. We're working hard. We gotta get this thing done. This guy is counting on us. Well, actually, he doesn't know anything about it, but if he did, he'd be counting on us. So we're gonna try and get this done. Good job, everybody.
To the end of the sweet bar. Oh, good idea. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just let it. Yeah, because what happens. So, I've got a vision for this car. I know this means quite a lot for Jeremy.
Yeah,
and so obviously it's got wheels.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go ahead and leave those on the car.
Yeah, I like that idea.
It's a Civic. Those are small, sporty vehicles with cool headlights. Now, the car is also black, which I like, so we're just going to leave it black.
Okay.
I know that has a lot of sentimental value to them.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
That.
His favorite dog with no back legs is black, so it's good you're staying with black.
That's good. That's good. So, oh yeah, it's got the side mirrors.
Yeah,
so I think what they'll need is it's going to be going on the track.
Yeah.
So we need a nice, lightweight Koenig wheel.
Okay.
With lots of spokes.
Lots of spokes.
Spokes are good.
Spokes make you go faster, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. And the other thing is it's got to have good tires.
Yep.
Have you got any tires for
We
me?
do have tires. Yes.
We have
some Toyo R888Rs. And yeah, more R's, more better, right? Now we got 2 R's. Oh, R. That is a piratey look you got going there.
Thank you. I was thinking about a patch, but I might just paint all these lenses black.
Good call, yeah.
Okay, so
Creative ideas just flow to this man. It's
So
a beautiful thing.
this is the vision. Let's make it happen.
Yeah, I'm on board.
All right,
Sign
cool.
us up. Is my hat still on? Because that guy just blew my mind. It was creative genius. I mean, first of all, to go with that minimalist approach of keeping a black car black, I mean, that's an inspired choice. I don't know which of us would have come up. No mere mortal would have come up with that decision, so bow to you on that one, Skip. And then, you know, to keep the wheels on, bold choice. I love the decision to go with those Koenig wheels because lighter is better, more spokes is better.
Where's everybody? What's this all about? We got a car to do. We can't get this done without people. We need people here. Nobody working on the motor. Why can't people get here on time? What time is it? They should have been working on here for an hour. What are we gonna do? We've got a deadline to meet. We're not gonna be able to make it. Where is everybody? So much work to do. We still have the suspension. It's rusted on. We have this motor. It looks like crap. We gotta get this done. People. I had plenty of time to get here. I went to Tim Hortons, had coffee, had donuts. Where are they? Oh yeah.
All right, so I know Skip was really stressing out about the guys coming in late, but they're here now and they're getting the thrash on this. So hopefully we get it done in time. I don't know. It's looking pretty good.
Yeah, Skip wasn't happy with us this morning. Too much maple syrup, too much bacon, long night, leaves lost. But we're here now. We'll get it done. Got Tim Hortons on board. We'll get it done. Today, tomorrow, it'll be done.
I gotta go ask.
The work is humming along, but the brakes could present a serious problem.
So I pulled the sensors off of our $300 Integra scrap car that I purchased, and foolishly I cut them thinking we wouldn't need to use them because in Canada the SI version is actually the SIR version here. So the SI that I have has drum brakes in the rear and we can't use the ABS sensors. So now I think this is gonna work. I'm gonna reconnect 2 wires and hope for the best. Otherwise we gotta buy new sensors.
The brakes aren't the only thing getting upgraded today. Ken, why are you putting in a bigger fuel pump?
For all that VTEC power, man, that stuff drinks a lot of fuel. It's always prudent to upgrade the fuel pump when you're gonna be running a bigger motor. Might as well. Better have it and not need it, right? Than need it and not have it.
As day 2 draws to a close, the crew has the K20 coilovers installed along with an ASR subframe brace and an Ibach rear sway. They also have the brakes mostly sewn up, but the engine bay is still empty. The guys better get going if we're going to make the tight deadline and deliver Peter's brother an overhauling he won't forget.
Flip it around, this is gonna sit lower. Or no, it's not.
That's the hair you had in high school.
Except dark and curly. You know, otherwise, yeah.
Well, the guys are working on the shifter and we are nearing the end of day 4. I'm getting a little nervous because as you can see, our engine is still not in the engine bay. So there's work left to be done, but my optimistic side says we can pull through and finish off by Friday.
Peter doesn't have an optimistic side, so he just made that part up.
No,
he doesn't
I
think we're
do.
going to make it. I'm the optimistic person here. I think we're going to make it.
You think it'll get finished off?
Oh, it's going to get finished off because Skip here. If it was just me and Peter, it definitely wouldn't get finished off.
See?
He doesn't
And
know.
now you know why I'm not 100% sure this is going to get done. This guy's blabbing too much. It's not even working.
Because I'm doing this.
He held up
I'm
a sway
eating
bar.
pizza. I got to eat
He
those
did,
waffle
yeah,
chips.
He did.
Those
You're right.
waffle chips are important.
The waffle
Take
chips
care.
are gone, for the record. You ate all the waffle chips.
What do you think Jeremy will think of the
want the
base
extension?
swap?
I think John's going to be super pumped about this K24 that we just dropped in his EG Civic. He's going to be so stoked. I mean, he's going to be like the hottest guy, hard parking at the Dunkin' Donuts, the Starbucks, wherever the hard parkers go. He's got to put negative 20 camber in each wheel to really set it off completely. But with this B18 in here, he's going to be ripping some crazy IV techs.
I think it's a moment of truth. It's what we've all been waiting for. Finally, we're getting this thing done. We've been doing this a long, hard couple days, and yeah, long time. And I think this is the moment of truth. This is what we've all been waiting for. This is the money shot. Here we go.
I've cut out the spot welds and it's not breaking loose. What on earth? Ken's making new brackets up for the ABS. I'm cutting out mounting brackets for the AC and radiator. That's crazy talk.
Sometimes you want something done, you got to do it yourself.
We talked about this yesterday, the timeline's getting pretty tight. Dave was saying that I was a pessimist, and it's kind of paying off because honestly, I feel like we can finish, but look at this guy. He's just on his phone all the time, social media.
Siri,
How are we supposed to finish stuff when this guy's just on his phone all the time?
Big-breasted website. Siri, find me 70s vintage Bush.
We're gonna have a meet here tomorrow. Meet and greet.
Oh yeah, eh? Totally, eh?
So how's this paint looking?
Not bad, considering what we started with and the time frame that we had. I think it's okay. What more importantly, what do you think?
I think that's pretty good. The car's only like 20 something years old.
99, so 18
almost,
years.
almost 18 years. It's old enough to date. Or I don't know, what are the rules in Canada?
I don't know if the internet's gonna like to hear that one.
I know my brother's gonna be real happy about this because, well, he's my twin, and twins, we know each other so well. Like, we just got this mental power, I know what he likes, and he loves Hondas, and he loves K-swaps, so he's gonna be amazed with this.
How's it going?
Good,
What do you think
Skip. Everything's going good. I think we're putting everything together. You're doing a great job. My brother's gonna be real happy.
Whatever we can do for Jerome.
Actually, it's Jake.
Whatever.
I would say that we're going to be wrapping this up with the announcement that we are here on day 6 of the 5-day track build challenge to wrap up Jeremy's road and track build EG Civic. In other words, I'm predicting that no, we're not going to make the deadline, but we're going to come close enough that we can fake it and fool you into believing that we got it done this time.
Skip's not going to be happy.
Everything you see on TV is faked anyway, so we might as well fake it too. Skip's always happy because he's a bit of a drinker.
Was that your drinking motion?
I'm shooting like the little tiny bottles that you get on the airplanes.
No, that one didn't look like a tiny bottle. Okay, good sign, guys. Skip's in the car. He's loading the software on the ECU. I think we're pretty close to firing off.
Time to load the base map. All right, let's start this thing up. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Yes! Yes! We got it!
Yes, we did it! We did it! It runs!
Your brother's gonna be so excited.
Oh, he can't wait. This is gonna be incredible. Wait till he sees this thing. It's amazing.
So many VTECs.
So many.
Jonathan, come on in here. Got something special to show you. What do you think, Jake?
Oh my god. Wow. What have you guys done? My car, it looks amazing.
Well, we thought you'd like it. We polished it up so it's beautiful. I know you like black, so we left it black.
Beautiful.
We've upgraded the wheels. We swapped a K-Series motor in.
A K-Series? I've always wanted a K-Series motor. My goodness.
Absolutely, and we vacuumed it really good.
Oh.
The interior's perfect.
That's incredible. I was so sloppy all the time. I'm just a slob, and you did that?
Absolutely.
Wow.
You know, we know someday you'd like to have a girlfriend, and we thought this would help you.
That's incredible. Oh my god.
It's so beautiful.
Oh.
It's so beautiful.
Come with me. Let me show you some of the things we've done with this car.
And with the overhaul successful, Jake wastes no time in hitting the track.
Oh, guys. That VTEC sounds good. Man, the top end on this motor is absolutely fantastic. Woo!
After thanking Skip and the crew, Jake, Jeremy, Jacob, whatever, rides off into the maple syrup covered sunset.
We'll see you soon. All right. Might as well rip a little VTEC, right?
Yep.